Ever wondered how many species of ducks there are in the world? Well, brace yourself for an exciting journey into the diverse world of ducks. Found all over the globe, from the icy waters of the Arctic to the tropical wetlands of South America, ducks are a fascinating group of birds with a myriad of species, each with its unique characteristics and charm. Imagine a canvas painted with the vibrant hues of the mandarin duck, the elegance of the mallard, or the distinctive profile of the pintail. Each species presents its own set of physical features and plumage variations, making them a delight for both seasoned birdwatchers and casual observers. Whether it's the Northern Hemisphere's common goldeneye or the Southern Hemisphere's blue duck, the global distribution of these species is as varied as their appearances. So, prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of ducks. With over 120 species, ducks truly showcase nature's diversity. What role do ducks play in our ecosystems? Now, that's a question with layers. You see, ducks are quite the ecological powerhouses. With their diverse diet ranging from aquatic plants to small invertebrates, they aid in controlling the population of pests and promote the growth of aquatic vegetation. When they forage, which is quite an amusing sight in itself with their bottoms up in the air, they stir up the bottom of water bodies. This churning process is essential, as it brings nutrients to the surface, promoting the growth of phytoplankton, the primary producer in aquatic ecosystems. But their ecological role isn't limited to their diet or foraging behavior. Ducks play a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping to colonize new areas with plants. And let's not forget their interactions with other wildlife. Predators, parasites, and even mutualistic relationships, ducks are entwined in a complex web of life. Ducks are not just beautiful creatures, they are crucial components of our wetland ecosystems. Ever noticed how ducks communicate and interact with each other? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of duck behavior and social dynamics. Ducks are social creatures, often seen in groups or flocks. These flocks are not just for company, but also for protection against predators. Now onto courtship. Ever seen a duck bob its head up and down? That's a male trying to catch a female's eye. If the lady duck is interested, she'll respond with the same gesture, and voila, we have a pair. This pair bonding can last for a single breeding season or sometimes for life. Territorial behaviors are also common, especially during the breeding season. Males will often chase away rivals, ensuring they have exclusive access to food and nesting sites. Communication among ducks is quite sophisticated too. They use a range of sounds, body movements, and even touch to convey messages to each other. Ducks have a complex social landscape filled with fascinating behaviors and interactions. Have you ever wondered where ducks go during different seasons? Ducks, like many birds, are seasonal travelers. They undertake remarkable migrations each year, covering thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. These migratory journeys are a testament to their resilience and adaptability as they navigate diverse landscapes and weather patterns. The migration routes of ducks are often complex and varied, with ducks flying along pathways known as flyways. These flyways can span across continents, with ducks stopping at various sites along the way to rest and refuel. Timing is critical in these migrations, with ducks often setting off when conditions are just right, typically in spring and fall. Ducks use a combination of instinct, the position of the sun or stars, and Earth's magnetic field to find their way. Their stopover sites are crucial, offering much-needed food and shelter. Ducks are truly global travelers, embarking on epic journeys each year. How do ducks raise their young, you might wonder? Well, it's a fascinating journey that begins with nest construction, typically in a well-hidden location near water. The female duck meticulously crafts a cozy nest using grasses, leaves, and down feathers plucked from her own body. Mate selection in ducks is equally intriguing, with males often performing elaborate courtship displays to woo females. Once a pair is formed, the female lays her eggs, usually one per day until a clutch of about a dozen is complete. After egg laying, the incubation period begins. The mother duck diligently keeps her eggs warm and protected for about a month until the ducklings hatch. Once hatched, the caring mother leads her ducklings to water, teaching them how to forage and swim. The journey of raising young ducks comes with challenges, from predators to harsh weather conditions. Yet, with their strong parental instincts and adaptive strategies, ducks remarkably manage to ensure the survival of their young. Raising ducklings is no small feat, but ducks have several strategies to ensure their young survive. Ever notice ducks in your local park or pond? These feathery friends have found a way to adapt to urban environments, proving their resilience and adaptability. Swapping wild wetlands for city parks and ponds, ducks have become a common sight in our cities. They navigate the concrete jungle with ease, finding food, shelter, and even a place to raise their young. Interactions with humans and other urban wildlife species have shaped their behaviors. They've learned to coexist with us, often becoming a beloved part of the local landscape. They peck at breadcrumbs tossed by parkgoers, glide gracefully across man-made ponds, and sometimes even cross busy roads, prompting patient drivers to hit the brakes. But urban environments also present challenges for these adaptable birds. Human activity can disturb their nesting sites, and polluted waterways can impact their health. Yet despite these hurdles, ducks continue to grace our cities with their presence, reminding us of the wonder of nature amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. Ducks have proven to be adaptable, thriving even in the heart of our cities. Are ducks facing any threats in the wild? A question that resonates with many. The answer, unfortunately, is a resounding yes. Ducks, these fascinating creatures of water and land, are facing a myriad of threats, some of which are alarmingly escalating. Habitat loss stands as the most formidable threat. As wetlands and marshes shrink due to urbanization, agriculture, and industrial development, ducks lose their homes and feeding grounds. These landscapes that once echoed with their vibrant quacks are now falling eerily silent. Pollution, too, has its claws deep in the lives of ducks. Oil spills, plastic waste, and chemical runoffs contaminate their habitats, leading to deadly consequences. These pollutants not only harm the ducks directly, but also affect their food sources, poisoning them slowly and steadily. Hunting, once a means of sustenance, has now turned into a recreational activity in some parts of the world. Overhunting disrupts the delicate balance of duck populations, pushing several species toward the edge of extinction. And then there's climate change, the silent specter that looms over us all. Rising temperatures, erratic weather patterns, and shifting seasons disrupt the migratory patterns of ducks, often leading them into unforeseen dangers. But it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are underway across the globe to protect these feathered denizens. Wetland restoration projects are breathing life back into their habitats. Laws and regulations are being enforced to control hunting. Cleanup drives are organized to rid their homes of pollutants, and climate change mitigation strategies are being implemented to secure a safer future for them. These efforts, however, are not enough. They need to be scaled up and enhanced. More importantly, they need our support. Every small action counts. Whether it's supporting a local wetland conservation project, participating in a cleanup drive, or simply spreading the word about the plight of ducks, we can all contribute to their survival. Ducks face many threats, but concerted conservation efforts can ensure their survival. So let's not wait. Let's act for the ducks, for the wetlands, and for our planet. So, what have we learned about ducks? We've unraveled the captivating world of ducks, a world filled with a stunning array of species, each with its unique plumage and distribution. We've delved into their ecological role and discovered how crucial they are to our wetland ecosystems, from their diet to their interactions with other wildlife. We've also explored their fascinating behaviors, their courtship displays, pair bonding, and territorial dynamics, not forgetting their incredible migratory patterns and nesting habits. We've seen how adaptable ducks are, thriving even in our urban environments, from city parks to bustling waterways. However, we've also learned about the looming threats they face. Habitat loss, pollution, hunting, and climate change all pose significant challenges to their survival. But all is not lost. There are ongoing conservation efforts to protect these amazing creatures and their habitats. From their global travels to their crucial ecological roles, ducks are fascinating creatures worth our admiration and protection.